Air travel can be both exhilarating and daunting, and knowing a few essential tips can significantly enhance your flying experience. In this video, we'll delve into the world of air travel tips and secrets that every traveler should know. Understanding these insights is crucial, as they can help you navigate the complexities of airports, security checks, and in-flight experiences with ease. Whether you're a seasoned flyer or a first-time traveler, having a solid grasp of these tips can save you time, money, and stress. We aim to create an engaging and informative atmosphere, ensuring that you not only learn but also enjoy the process. Throughout this video, you can expect to discover practical strategies for making your journey smoother and more comfortable. From packing efficiently to choosing the best seats, we'll cover a range of topics designed to enhance your travel experience. We'll also share insider secrets that can help you avoid common pitfalls, such as long security lines and unexpected fees. Additionally, we'll discuss how to stay comfortable during your flight, including tips on managing jet lag and making the most of in-flight amenities. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with valuable knowledge that can transform your approach to air travel. So, whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long-haul adventure, stay tuned as we unveil the tips and tricks that will make your flying experience not only easier, but also more enjoyable. Get ready to take notes and prepare for your next journey with confidence as we guide you through the essential air travel tips that every traveler should have in their toolkit. Let's embark on this journey together and elevate your flying experience. When it comes to air travel, seat selection can significantly impact your overall experience, particularly when it comes to choosing a window seat. While window seats offer stunning views and a sense of privacy, they can also be colder due to the proximity to the aircraft's exterior. To combat this chill, consider bringing a light blanket or wearing layers to stay comfortable throughout your flight. Additionally, window seats can sometimes limit your mobility, making it more challenging to get up and stretch or use the restroom. However, the breathtaking scenery can make the trade-off worthwhile for many travelers. On the other hand, sitting towards the back of the plane has its own set of advantages. Passengers in this area often receive better service from flight attendants, as they are typically less busy than those in the front. This can lead to quicker responses to requests for snacks, drinks, or assistance, enhancing your overall flying experience. Moreover, the back of the plane tends to be less crowded, allowing for a more relaxed atmosphere. For those seeking a smoother flight experience, selecting seats over the wing is highly recommended. This area of the aircraft is known for its stability, as it is closer to the center of gravity. Passengers seated here often experience less turbulence, making for a more comfortable journey. Additionally, being over the wing can provide a unique perspective on the aircraft's mechanics during takeoff and landing. Ultimately, understanding the benefits and drawbacks of window seats and seat selection can help you make informed choices that enhance your travel experience. Whether you prioritize views, service, or stability, knowing these factors will ensure a more enjoyable flight. When it comes to air travel, making safe drinking and food choices is crucial for a pleasant journey. One important consideration is the quality of the water used for hot beverages on flights. Due to varying standards of cleanliness and maintenance in aircraft water systems, consuming hot drinks like tea or coffee can pose health risks. Therefore, it's wise to exercise caution and avoid these options. Instead, we encourage you to request bottled water or juice, which are typically safer and more reliable choices. Staying hydrated is essential during flights, especially since cabin air can be quite dry, so opting for these beverages can help you feel better throughout your journey. In addition to beverage choices, food quality is another significant aspect of in-flight dining. Many airlines offer the option to pre-order special meals, which can often be of higher quality than standard offerings. Whether you have dietary restrictions or simply prefer a specific cuisine, pre-ordering allows you to select meals that meet your needs and preferences. This not only enhances your dining experience, but also ensures that you receive food that is fresher and more appealing. Moreover, being proactive about your food and drink choices can contribute to your overall comfort and well-being during the flight. It's essential to consider how what you consume can affect your energy levels and digestion, especially on longer flights. By prioritizing safe drinking options and quality food choices, you can minimize discomfort and enjoy your travel experience more fully. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring that your journey is not only enjoyable, but also safe. So the next time you fly, keep these tips in mind to make informed decisions about what you eat and drink while in the air. Maintaining hygiene and comfort during flights is essential for a pleasant travel experience, especially given the confined space and shared environment of an airplane. One area that often goes overlooked is the cleanliness of tray tables and seatback pockets. These surfaces can harbor germs and bacteria, as they are rarely cleaned thoroughly between flights. To protect yourself, it's wise to avoid placing personal items directly on these surfaces. Instead, consider using a travel-sized blanket or a clean cloth to cover the tray table before using it for meals or personal items. Another important tip is to be mindful of your clothing choices. While shorts may seem like a comfortable option for flying, they can pose hygiene concerns, especially in a public setting. Opting for long pants can provide an extra layer of protection against potential germs and discomfort from the seat materials. Additionally, wearing breathable fabrics can help you stay comfortable throughout the flight, as cabin temperatures can fluctuate. To further enhance your hygiene during the flight, bringing disinfectant wipes is highly recommended. These wipes can be used to clean your tray table, armrests, and any other surfaces you may come into contact with. Not only do they help eliminate germs, but they also provide peace of mind, allowing you to relax and enjoy your journey. Moreover, don't forget to wash your hands regularly, especially after using the restroom or before eating. Keeping hand sanitizer on hand can also be beneficial for quick cleanups when soap and water aren't readily available. By following these tips, you can maintain a higher level of hygiene and comfort during your flight, ensuring that your travel experience is as enjoyable and stress-free as possible. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in making your journey more pleasant. Choosing the right time to fly can significantly enhance your travel experience, and there are several advantages to consider when booking your flights. One of the most compelling reasons to opt for morning flights is the reduced likelihood of delays. Airlines typically experience fewer disruptions in the early hours, as air traffic is lighter and weather conditions are often more stable. By flying in the morning, you can minimize the chances of encountering delays that can occur later in the day due to increased air traffic or unforeseen circumstances. Additionally, morning flights often provide the benefit of smoother air. During the early hours, the atmosphere tends to be more stable, resulting in a more comfortable ride with less turbulence. This can be particularly advantageous for those who may be anxious about flying or for families traveling with young children. A smoother flight can make the journey more enjoyable and less stressful, allowing you to arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. Moreover, planning your flight time strategically can lead to a better overall experience. Consider your personal schedule and how flight times align with your activities upon arrival. Morning flights can give you the advantage of arriving at your destination earlier in the day, allowing you to maximize your time for sightseeing, business meetings, or simply settling in. Conversely, late-night flights may leave you feeling fatigued upon arrival, impacting your ability to enjoy your trip. In summary, booking morning flights can lead to fewer delays, smoother air, and a more enjoyable travel experience. By taking the time to plan your flight times thoughtfully, you can set yourself up for a successful journey. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, these considerations can make a significant difference in how you experience air travel. When preparing for your next trip, packing essential items can greatly enhance your travel experience and ensure a smoother journey. One often overlooked item is a pen, especially for international flights where customs forms are required. Having a pen on hand allows you to fill out necessary paperwork promptly, saving you time and avoiding the hassle of searching for one at the airport. This small but crucial item can make a significant difference in your travel efficiency. In today's digital age, staying informed about your flight status is easier than ever. We highly recommend downloading your airline's app before your trip. These apps provide real-time updates on flight schedules, gate changes, and any potential delays. By having this information at your fingertips, you can plan accordingly and reduce the stress that often accompanies air travel. Additionally, many airline apps offer features such as mobile boarding passes, which can streamline your check-in process and save you time at the airport. Another essential item to consider is a power bank for charging your devices. With the increasing reliance on smartphones and tablets for navigation, entertainment, and communication, ensuring that your devices remain charged is vital. A power bank allows you to recharge your devices on the go, especially during long layovers or flights where power outlets may not be available. This way, you can stay connected and entertained throughout your journey without worrying about running out of battery. In summary, packing a pen for customs forms, downloading your airline's app for real-time updates, and carrying a power bank for charging devices are essential steps to ensure a smoother travel experience. By being prepared with these items, you can navigate the challenges of air travel with greater ease and enjoy your journey to the fullest. Navigating airports can often feel overwhelming, but there are several hidden tips and tricks that can make your experience much more manageable and enjoyable. One of the best-kept secrets is the availability of free water refill stations in many airports. Staying hydrated is crucial while traveling, especially during long layovers or flights. Instead of purchasing expensive bottled water, simply bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up at these stations. This not only saves you money, but also helps reduce plastic waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. Another fantastic perk that many travelers may not be aware of is the availability of free showers in select airports. After a long flight or during a lengthy layover, a refreshing shower can do wonders for your comfort and well-being. Airports like San Francisco International and Singapore Changi offer shower facilities that can help you feel rejuvenated and ready to tackle the next leg of your journey. Be sure to check the airport's amenities in advance to see if this option is available during your travels. Additionally, if you find yourself with a long layover, consider taking advantage of free city tours offered by some airports. Cities like Istanbul and Hong Kong provide complimentary guided tours for passengers with extended layovers, allowing you to explore the local culture and attractions without the hassle of arranging transportation. This can be a fantastic way to make the most of your time and experience a new destination, even if it's just for a few hours. In summary, utilizing free water refill stations, taking advantage of free showers, and exploring free city tours can significantly enhance your airport experience. By being aware of these hidden gems, you can navigate airports more effectively and make your travel experience more enjoyable. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the key takeaways that can help you achieve a better flying experience. First and foremost, we discussed the importance of selecting the right seat, highlighting the advantages of window seats, the benefits of sitting towards the back of the plane for better service, and the smoother ride you can expect when seated over the wing. We also emphasized the significance of safe drinking options and food choices, advising against hot beverages due to water quality concerns, and encouraging you to opt for bottled water or juice instead. Additionally, we shared tips on maintaining hygiene and comfort during flights, such as bringing disinfectant wipes and being mindful of your clothing choices. Moreover, we explored the advantages of flying at certain times, particularly morning flights, which tend to have fewer delays and smoother air. Lastly, we highlighted essential items to bring for a smoother travel experience, including a pen for customs forms, downloading your airline's app for real-time updates, and carrying a power bank for charging devices. If you found these tips helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel like this video and share it with fellow travelers who could benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you and the travel community. Don't forget to explore our related content on the channel for even more travel insights, tips, and tricks that can enhance your journeys. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, we have plenty of resources to help you navigate the world of air travel with confidence. Thank you for watching, and safe travels on your next adventure.